Hello. This is my Project 1 from CS50 single quote S web programming with Python and JavaScript, which simulates a digital encyclopedia. This project has a home page where you can view the list of all the encyclopedia content generated from the project content files or newly created files. Clicking on the links in the list opens a page of the chosen item, or if you type Wiki title in the address bar. If you type Wiki title into a page that does not exist, a message will be displayed informing you of this fact. The project also allows the user to search the encyclopedia content. The search is performed by submitting the text typed in the search box on the sidebar and pressing the Enter key. If the search term is a page in the encyclopedia, this page will be displayed. It is possible to edit the encyclopedia content by clicking on the Edit Page option on the sidebar and choosing the page to be edited from the list displayed. At the end of the editing process, the changes will be saved by clicking the Save Edit Wiki button. The edited page will then be displayed. A message will appear saying that the page does not exist, but that a new one can be created if the user tries to edit a page that does not exist. It is possible to create new content pages for the encyclopedia, but if the name of the new page already exists, the inclusion page will be displayed again with the message that the page already exists. Finally, the sidebar has the Random Page option that will display encyclopedia pages randomly.